Guys, make it make sense. Why are you driving a car in the nice warm summer months of Manitoba if your work is less than 15 kilometers away? Just ride your bike. The car is meant for winter. Ever since I was young, I loved biking to work in the summer. It's just so much more pleasant than driving. Now, hear me out. This is one of the easiest ways to save on gas and insurance. Spend the money, invest in a modern bike where you can have pannier racks, you can be extra safe with a nice quality helmet, you get disc brakes, and you can even clip your feet in. So the bike is extremely safe for your summer commuting to work. Unless you're a blue collar guy and you actually do need a truck to carry all your tools. Most of the time, a bicycle is perfectly fine. The one thing I would invest in though is getting some clip-in shoes so that your feet can clip into the pedals and then it helps you stay secured when you're biking through bumpy sidewalks. Obviously, there's a difference between being frugal and being a cheapskate. That means go ahead and replace your worn out tires with a brand new one. So, let me show you. First, let's take this entire bike and let's flip it upside down. Now that your bike is flipped over, go flip your QR skewer. And then untwist on this side, counterclockwise, while holding this end steady. Now that you've loosened the Presta valve and pushed all the air out, go get some tire pliers. Now that it's all peeled off, go ahead and pull off these two little valve holders on the Presta. Look at how bald the old tire is. That's gonna go straight in the garbage. So currently I don't have a new inner tube, so we're gonna reuse this old one. But make sure your new tire, there's nothing spiky on the inside or any little rocks or pebbles, or else you'll put the inner tube inside the new tire and it'll puncture right away. So the trick is to inflate the inner tube a couple times so it gets the tube shape and then shove it right into the new tire. Next thing you're gonna do is find the valve hole, stick it back in, and then pull so that both sides of the tire are within the inner parameters of the rim. And it might take a little bit of force, but some are worse. This one's actually pretty easy. The trick is that when you get to the last little bit of tire and it won't go over the rim, just grab it with your palm and forcefully twist forward and it'll go right on. And the sidewall of the tire would usually tell you, this one says it's anywhere from 36 PSI to 71, but we're not gonna do anywhere near 71. We're just gonna put it to maximum 40 PSI, and that's gonna be on our floor. And now that you got a brand new tire on your bike wheel, go put this back on your bike and enjoy the rest of your summer.